Close your eyes and imagine sand so white it glistens in the sunlight, and water so clear it feels like a dream. Welcome to Whitehaven Beach in Australia's Whitsunday Islands, a place often described as paradise on Earth. Stretching over 7 kilometers, Whitehaven Beach is a pristine paradise that captivates visitors from around the globe. Whitehaven Beach is famous for its powdery white silica sand and vibrant turquoise waters. The sand here is composed of 98% pure silica, giving it a brilliant, almost luminescent quality that feels incredibly soft underfoot. It's part of the Whitsunday Islands National Park, a protected area that ensures the beach remains unspoiled and pristine for future generations to enjoy, and is located in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Area. This means the beach is surrounded by some of the most diverse marine life and coral reefs in the world. Whether you arrive by boat, taking in the stunning views as you approach the shore, helicopter, soaring above the crystal clear waters, or seaplane, landing gracefully on the waves, you'll be greeted by one of the most photographed and unforgettably beautiful beaches in the world. The breathtaking scenery and serene atmosphere make it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Australia. Picture yourself strolling through sand that never gets hot to the touch, feeling the fine grains beneath your feet as you walk along the pristine shoreline. The gentle breeze carries the scent of the ocean, and the sound of waves lapping against the shore creates a soothing symphony. Imagine taking a refreshing dip in crystal clear waters teeming with colorful fish, each one more vibrant than the last. The water is so clear that you can see the intricate details of the marine life below, making you feel like you're swimming in an aquarium, or venturing up to Hill Inlet to capture breathtaking photos of swirling aqua and white patterns at low tide. The view from the lookout is nothing short of spectacular, offering a panoramic vista that stretches as far as the eye can see. This is Whitehaven Beach, where relaxation and adventure coexist perfectly. Whether you're lounging on the sand, engaging in thrilling water activities, or simply soaking in the natural beauty, there's something for everyone. From snorkeling amidst vibrant marine life, where every dive reveals a new underwater wonder, to exploring the diverse ecosystems that thrive in these waters, to savoring a tranquil picnic by the shoreline, where the sound of the waves provides the perfect backdrop for a relaxing meal. Every moment feels like a scene from a travel magazine come to life. The scenic beauty of Whitehaven Beach is unparalleled, offering countless opportunities to create unforgettable memories. Ready to experience this dazzling slice of Australia? Whitehaven Beach is a pristine paradise, known for its crystal clear waters and powdery white sands. Imagine yourself basking in the sun, surrounded by the natural beauty of this iconic destination. Hit that subscribe button for more travel inspiration and stay updated with our latest adventures. We bring you the best travel spots from around the world. Give this video a like if you're already picturing your getaway, and let us know in the comments where you'd like to go next. Your feedback helps us create better content for you, and share it with someone who deserves a front row seat to paradise. Sharing is caring, and your friends will thank you for the travel inspiration. Whitehaven Beach is calling. Will you answer? Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. The beauty of Whitehaven Beach awaits you.